Hey guys, so I want to show you that you can still do a cartwheel even though you are grown as hell. Watch and learn. What if I break my fucking leg? Let's do it again. My legs hurt. I need to stretch. Girl, get them fucking squats, girl. Get those fucking squats. Get those sumo squats. Get those frog leaps. Get those fucking punching bag. Lift those weights.
My that people see you.
So they went home, please. They probably could still, of course they could still see you. I ain't doing shit. Okay, one more time. One more time, y'all, let's go. And, by the way, I miss jumping double dutch. Anybody got a double dutch rope?
Ma, I know how to do double dutch now. Ma, I know how to do mine. Let me tell you something. Ma, let me tell you something. I know how to do double dutch now, but it has to be slow. I'm not an expert.
Yeah, because you gotta practice.
I already tried. I did it with my friend at school.
That was weak. Hold on. That was weak. Round them up! Round them up!
Ma, you're crazy.
That means round them up. One more time, y'all. Come on. Let's get this work. Come on. Woo. Ah! Weak. Okay. And that's enough cartwheeling for me today. Bye. Woo, child. Woo, child.